Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms. You probably saw from my video the other day when I was trying to cut up that tree that the chainsaw quit on me pretty quickly. I didn't even get one big branch off, just a small one. So this is what happened here. Uh, when you have your bar adjustment, bar and chain here, there's two nuts that attach here where your adjuster is, and one of those vibrated off on me, so the bar and the chain came loose, so that's why everything kind of just quit. And I went to look for a new nut because I couldn't find the one in the yard that fell off. And it's amazingly difficult to find bar nuts for these chainsaws. You'd think it'd be pretty easy, but I went to Home Depot, Tractor Supply, and Rural King, and the only place I actually found one was at Tractor Supply finally. They had this universal kit here. So this is what I got, but it's an unusual size nut. It's one of these bigger ones here on the side. They're an M8 125 nut, but it's a much larger external diameter for the nut, so that way it'll work with this wrench that comes with the chainsaw here. So I'm going to replace those and then just adjust the chain on here, because you'll probably see that the chain is way too loose now. So we tighten it up with this right here, and once we get the right tension on it to where it just has a little bit of movement in it, you don't want too much because as it gets warm it loosens up. But then I'm gonna get back to work on it. Thanks, bye. Well, I finally got a chance to get out here after I fixed the chainsaw, and that tree I showed you on the other video is now mostly cut up. I ran out of daylight here, but I pretty much got it done, finishing it up here in the dark. The camera doesn't really want to focus. There we go. But I'll tell you, it's a lot more work cutting them up than it is cutting them down. And you got all the brush left to clean up here. But I got it pretty much done, and most of the pieces that are going to be usable for firewood, I cut anywhere from 12 to 18 inches in length. And then of course I got the big stump and roots left here, still sticking out of the ground. But pretty good about that. I've got another apple tree I need to get cut up still. But this mulberry that was in the way here that fell down in the yard this summer is all cut up now. Just got to take it out to the woodshed and stack it. Everybody have a good one. Thanks.